Video marketing has taken over the real estate space. If you are not currently doing any video marketing, you are behind the times. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world behind Google, who owns YouTube. There are many realtors who like to play in the YouTube space and are spending countless hours trying to get more subscribers and viewers to their content. Today, I'm going to show you how to increase your subscribers and views through YouTube advertising, which will generate more deals for you and your business. Hi, my name is Mansour. I've been a top producing agent now for over 15 years. It wasn't always easy for me, and I was lucky enough to experience the ups and downs of many different real estate markets. But the good news is that you don't have to, as what I'm about to show you will generate business and build relationships for life. Before we get into this today, I want to stress the importance of being on video for your audience. It is extremely important to be consistent with your content and your approach. Today we are discussing YouTube advertising. Many realtors don't focus on this, as they would rather spend countless dollars on Facebook advertising campaigns. Guilty. Make sure you stick around to the end as well, as I'm going to share with you my #1 thing that has changed my online business in the past 3 months. YouTube ads are a form of advertising which will allow you to promote you and your services to a targeted audience on this amazing platform. There are several different types of YouTube ad formats which are available, such as TrueView, Bumper, and Sponsored Cards, which each have their own unique features as well as pricing. To run ads, you're going to need to set up your own Google Ads account, set up a campaign, choose a format for your ad, and create your ad, and set your bid and budget before launching your ad. Seems simple, right? I personally don't do any of this, as my job is to coach and mentor realtors to scale up their business, not to build and run YouTube ads. I leave this to my expert team to handle. However, if done correctly, you'll be able to target your ads to specific demographics, interests, and behaviors to reach people who are most likely to be interested in your real estate business. Let's back up for a minute. Before you start to run YouTube ads, it's important to understand several aspects. You're going to want to know what your goals are. What do you want to achieve with your YouTube ads? Do you want to drive traffic to your channel, increase brand awareness, or generate buyer and seller leads? By having clear goals, it will help you create and run ads that are aligned with your business objectives. You are also going to want to identify who your target audience is. Who are you trying to reach with your YouTube ads? By understanding who your target audience is, you will be able to niche your ads to this audience so that your ads are relevant and appealing to your audience. Budget is a very important aspect to consider before you start running your YouTube ads. How much are you willing to spend on your YouTube ads? By knowing and understanding this, it will allow you to determine how many ads you can run and how often you can run them. You also want to pay close attention to your spending, as there is no sense spending money if there is no return on the investment. One mistake most people make is shutting the ads down too early, as they have zero return on investment and money going out on ad spend. It's a long game, so make sure you pay attention and commit. Keep testing until an ad takes off, then run with that ad and watch the return on investment scale up. Before anyone views your content, you want to make sure you have eye-catching visuals. See, with YouTube being a visual platform, it's extremely important to use attractive and engaging visuals in your ads. This can include things like images, videos, graphics, and headlines. Headlines that are interesting and relevant to your target audience. This will get them to click on your ad. You want to catch people's eye and keep them engaged and on the ad for as long as possible. You also want to use a very strong call to action in your ad. Tell your audience exactly what you want them to do. An example of this would be visiting your website or subscribing to your channel. Make it easy for them to act by including a clear and prominent call to action in your ad. As mentioned earlier, testing and optimizing your ad is a very important and often overlooked step. Don't be afraid to try different versions of your ad to see what works best. YouTube has an amazing analytics tool to track the performance of your ads so that adjustments such as this can be made. Again, if you are not savvy with this, then contract it out to a company who is, and stay focused on what you are good at, building lifelong relationships that translate into real estate deals. The one tip that has scaled up my business over the past 3 months is consistency and follow-up. Now, I've been doing this for over 3 decades, so this isn't new to me. However, the past 3 months, I have made it my #1 priority to my everyday schedule. Every viewer that connects with me on YouTube, either through one of my ads or direct through my videos, are put into a custom workflow. This workflow consists of value for the viewer in the form of a drip campaign, as well as follow-up tasks for me with the viewer, such as setting up calls, in-person meetings, and thank you cards. YouTube loves consistency, which is why it's important to make sure you are posting every week or every 2 weeks at the same time and day. I'm always 5 weeks ahead of schedule. I will typically script 5 weeks of content on one day and film it on another day. Do this once every 3 weeks to ensure I am on top of things, as our business can get busy in a real hurry and YouTube can easily get forgotten as a result. By being organized and consistent, not only will the platform love you, but your viewers will also see you consistently, which will keep you top of mind. An idea is to time block these tasks into your schedule and stick to them no matter what. Now that we've covered YouTube ads, in my next video, I'm going to talk all things AI. I have been using AI for a while now, but only recently has it taken the internet by storm. Everywhere I look, there is some new AI platform. We are going to dig into the pros and cons of AI, as well as show you some of that cool AI platforms that I've used to scale my business up. And don't forget, if you want to dig deeper into your business, you could schedule a call with me. My contact details are in the description of this video. It's completely complimentary, as I'm always intrigued by what is going on with other people's real estate business and how I can help. Let's develop a blueprint for your business for life.